I like a good sunny day. Don't you, fellas? Oh, yeah, they died in the fire. So you can see how sunny it is. Why did I get bleeped? The fuck has happened? Do this again? Okay, I'm gonna be. I need to be knocked out. Is it still raining? Son of a... I'm not even saying any words. I said son of a dog. What the boop? And what the heck? It's raining and that sucks. Raining just makes me say, what the heck? Why, God, rain sucks. We can just get water from the sink. Oh yeah, they died in the fire. Sinks are so stupid, but Mountain Dew is not so cupid. I'm just making up little rhymes for this song. I don't care what people say. Rain sucks, and that's why I'm here to say rain sucks. It always makes kids say. Whoever says yeah, I'll give you the toilet paper. Yay! Good job. Rain sucks. Rain sucks. It always makes you say, what the fuck? I'm not even saying any bad words. I just said, what the bleep bleep bloop. What is wrong with my language? I just not know stuff for 3 hours. Come on, people. What the heck? Rain sucks. That's why I'm here to say, rain sucks. Rain sucks. I can't even go inside and play with the mud. So really fun and so really cool. Now I can't even play with my drool. Thanks to stupid rain. Stupid rain. Rain sucks, and that's why I'm here to say rain sucks. Rain sucks. Rain sucks. I'm here to say rain sucks. Rain sucks. That's why I'm here to say what I just now said for the past 10 minutes. What the heck? It's only been 2 and 40 seconds. If the power goes that I can't play my Xbox, I really want to play Grand Theft Auto 4. Even though I'm only 4 years old, I know I'm Tommy, and that's why I'm here to say that rain sucks. Rain sucks. Stupid heads, kiss my butt. I don't care what people say. Rain sucks. Rain sucks. And that's why I'm here to say, right, fellas? You know, I got another 10 minutes in this. Come on. Rain sucks. Rain sucks. That's why I'm here to say that rain sucks. It's really terrible, really annoying. I've had enough of this crap. Screw you, rain. Once it shines out in the sun, I'm going outside and have some fun. But right now, rain, you really suck. Kiss my butt to the jukebox hole. Rain sucks, rain sucks, rain sucks, rain sucks, rain sucks. As soon as it's raining, let's just do something. Woo! Who am I kidding? It's raining. There's nothing to do, so what's the point of it? Even living. Goodbye, world. What the heck? Shooting. I regret nothing. When did I come back into life after when I die? Seriously, how does that happen? Oh yeah, clones.